Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can fix your story quality over on Instagram. So the process is same for Android as well as for iOS, so just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so first of all, what you're gonna do, you have to go to your Google Play Store, or for iOS you can go to App Store, and there check if there is any update available for the Instagram. Just try to update the application to its latest version first. Then open it up, and there you have to go to your Instagram settings and in account right here, and then click on cellular data use. And here you can see media upload quality, and just check upload at highest quality. After turning this on, from now and onwards, your media will be uploaded at the highest possible quality over on Instagram. So now you can go and try for the stories, and it will be at maximum quality. So this is basically how you can fix the quality over on Instagram. So all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.